There is a growing concern over the spread of the Ebola virus disease in Nigeria, as the federal government has indeed recorded confirmed the 10th case in Lagos. The person is a nurse.
The Minister of Health, Professor Onyebuchi Chukwu, told a news conference in Abuja yesterday that all the victims are people who had primary contact with the late Patrick Sawyer. He explained that when the nurse took ill, she was brought into isolation and tested over the weekend. She had been at home with her husband, who is now under surveillance.
It has been 22 days since EVD first landed in Nigeria. As of today, 177 primary and secondary contacts of the index case have been placed under surveillance or isolation. 9 developed Ebola virus disease, bringing the total number of cases in Nigeria to 10. Of these 10, 2 have died, that is, the Liberian American and the Nigerian nurse, while 8 are alive and currently on treatment. The 10th case actually was one of the nurses who also had a primary contact with our index case. So it was one of the nurses who had primary contact, and when he got ill, we then brought her into isolation, and we just tested her over the weekend, and she tested positive. So that's what made it 10 since the last conference on Friday. So between Friday and today, we'll have 1 additional case. So that brings it to 10. And of course, the 10 includes the index case. It also includes the nurse, the only Nigerian so far who has died from the disease.